And spacecraft communicator Tony Antonelli giving Chris Ferguson aboard Atlantis the go to start Auxiliary Power Unit 1 in support of this flight control system checkout as we watch a television picture of the starboard or right wing of Atlantis in the area of the aerodynamic control surfaces that will be cycled using hydraulic pressure generated by that auxiliary power unit. And we can see the flight control surfaces cycling through their full range of motion now. And now we're receiving some in-cabin video from the forward flight deck. Commander Brett Jett and pilot Chris Ferguson continue to go over pre-landing preparations with flight engineer Dan Burbank, who's seated directly behind them. They've completed a successful checkout of the flight control surfaces of Atlantis. Everything looked nominal to entry flight director Steve Stitch here on the ground, as well as the data processing system, guidance navigation systems, and mechanical systems officer, all of whom followed the progress of that flight control system checkout carefully.
And Fergie, I also have a big picture call for your timeline.
Ready to copy.
A couple hours ago, we were looking at some video. Inco was doing some Earth observation, and we noticed an object we saw in the video. And we're not sure exactly what it was. We're taking a look at that right now. But in the interim, we'd like to leave the KU and not stow it, and also not do the PGSC cleanup activities. Just in case we need to use those systems here for other video downlink.
Terry, can you run that by me again while we're holding off on that stuff?
It was because, like I said a few hours ago, we just noticed Inco had seen an object in the video doing Earth observations, and we just want to keep the KU up to possibly downlink more video here in the near term. Atlantis Houston was the big picture. The MMT just met, and they've decided that based on this weather we've been having down in Florida and combination with this object that we saw tomorrow, that we're going to wave off tomorrow. So our next deorbit opportunity is going to be on flight day 13. So tomorrow will be a wave-off day. We have our FAO and our timeliners are working very hard right now to come up with a plan for tomorrow, and we'll certainly get you any words that we have on that as soon as we can.